Digestion in buccal cavity. Saliva contains 98% water and 2% other constituent like electrolyte, sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, bicarbonate, and digestive enzyme salivary amylase. The only chemical digestion that takes place in mouth is by the action of salivary amylase. Salivary amylase helps in conversion of starch into maltose. About 30% starch gets converted into maltose in mouth. Maltose is a disaccharide. Saliva also contains lysozyme. It acts as an antibacterial agent that prevents infection. Food here is called as bolus. The bolus further passes down through the esophagus by peristalsis. Sometimes regurgitation or vomiting takes place due to reverse spasmodic peristalsis. Food from the esophagus enters the stomach. The gastroesophageal sphincter controls the passage of food into the stomach. Digestion in the stomach. Stomach stores the food for 4 to 5 hours. The physical digestion happens by churning of food. Thick muscular wall of stomach helps churning process. Churning further breaks down the food particles and also helps in thorough mixing of gastric juice with food. The mucosa layer of stomach has gastric glands. Each gastric gland has 3 major type of cell, namely mucus cell, peptic or chip cell, and parietal or oxyntic cell. Mucus cell secretes mucus. Peptic cell secretes proenzyme pepsinogen. Parietal cell secretes HCl, an intrinsic factor which is essential for absorption of vitamin B12. The gastric juice contains mucus, inactive enzyme pepsinogen, HCl, and intrinsic factor. In infant, stomach also secretes renin. Mucus protect the inner lining of stomach from HCl present in gastric juice. HCl in gastric juice makes the food acidic and stops the action of salivary amylase. It kills the germs that might be present in the food. Pepsinogen gets converted into active enzyme pepsin in the acidic medium provided by HCl. In presence of pepsin, proteins in the food get converted into simpler form like peptones and proteose. Renin found in gastric juice of infant act on casein, a protein present in milk. It brings about curdling of milk protein with the help of calcium. Coagulated milk protein is further digested with the help of pepsin. Renin is absent in adult. At the end of gastric digestion, food is converted to a semi-fluid acidic mass of partially digested food is called chyme. A chyme from stomach is pushed in the small intestine through pleuric sphincter for further digestion.